Okay, hi Year 10, welcome to your weekly review videos. So there's only 2 questions for you to do this week. So remember, stop the video and do it yourself, then run the video and check your answers, and then send me a picture of the work that you've done. Okay, so have a go at the first question. Okay, hopefully you've done that. So there are 46 shops in the local mall. 25 shops sell clothes, 16 sell shoes, 34 sell at least one of these items. And then you've got to find out that information. So a Venn diagram is going to help you. This is a nice easy one. It's only a sort of 2-set Venn diagram. Still make it nice and big and make sure that you've got space in your intersections. So we've got shops that sell clothes, so I'm going to call that C, and shops that sell shoes, I'm going to call that S. Right, let's fill in what information we can. Remember, you always start from the middle out, so do we know what goes in the middle? It doesn't say, does it? 25 sell clothes, 16 sell shoes, 34 sell at least one. It's not telling me, so I'm going to call that X, okay? Because I don't know. So what goes in the clothes, just clothes section? Well, I'm going to have to be 25 minus X, because I need those 2 regions that include clothes to add up to 25. And then, same logic, that's going to be 16 minus X. Okay? Now, what do we know? We know 34 sell at least one of these items. So what we can say is C or S is equal to 34. Rather, I should be more specific. The number of elements in C or S is equal to 34. So that helps me make the equation. Okay, I don't need to know what goes out here. So we can say 25 minus X plus 16 minus X is equal to 34. Okay, so add the numbers together, going to get 41, and then minus an X plus an X minus an X is going to be minus an X equals 34. Okay, so logically X therefore must be equal to 7. Right, I'm just going to draw the Venn diagram again, and this time put in the numbers that I know should be in there. Okay, so there's clothes, shoes. So 7 now I know sell both, which means 9 just sell shoes, and 18 just sell clothes. Okay, so part A I've done. We know it's 7. Okay, neither clothes nor shoes. Well, that means I've now got to work out what goes in here, which I should be able to do because it's all got to add up to 46. So 18 plus 9, 27, plus 7, 34. Well, actually, should have already known that. So I'm missing 12. So there must have been 12 shops that sold neither clothes nor shoes. Okay. What about this one? Clothes but not shoes. So that is really saying what's the number of elements that it's clothes and not shoes. So you could use the tick method to find out what region that is, but hopefully you'd realise that it's this region here. And so, sorry, no it's not. It's clothes and not shoes. So that was wrong. It's this region here. Okay? What I wrote down is the number of elements in shoes and not clothes, which is the wrong answer. That's the right answer. Okay, so let me know if you've got any issues with that. Okay, and stop your video and have a go at this question. Okay, so hope you've had a go at it. So 75 supermarkets are surveyed to determine which brands of detergent they sell. All sell at least one of the brands, A, B and C. 55 brand A, 57 brand B, 50 brand C. Okay, we get loads of information. The most important thing is we know we've got 3 sets, A, B and C. Okay, A, B, and C. So let's draw a Venn diagram with lots of space in my intersections. Okay. Right, we always start from the middle. Okay, always start from the middle. We actually know what's in the middle. It says 22 supermarkets sell all three brands. So we put 23 in there. Oh, sorry, 22. Now we work our way out. So we said 33 supermarkets sell both A and C. Both, hang on, I need to label. I haven't labelled them. That's foolish. A, B, C. So, sorry, where were we? 33 supermarkets sell both A and C. So I reckon that's got to be 11. Okay. 17 supermarkets sell both A and B, but not C. So this time, that is going to be 17. Because that region sells both A and B, but not C. That's just that one region there. This one, not two regions, this and this. Okay, I hope that's clear and makes sense. Okay. What else do we know? We know 55 sell brand A. So let's just add up what we've got at the moment. That's 33 plus 17 is equal to 50. So we're missing 5. So I reckon 5 goes in there. Okay. 57 sell brand B. I reckon what we're not given any information about what goes in here. So let's call that X. Okay. And so now what we know is that what goes in here is 57 minus 17 minus 22 minus X. So that's going to be what? 40 minus 20, 18 minus X. So that's in here is going to be 18 minus X. Okay. 50 cell brand C, so that's 50 minus 22 minus 11 minus X. So that's what? 28, 17 minus X. So let's put that in there, 17 minus X. Okay. So I think I've got all of the regions in place now. Because if we read the question carefully, we're told that 75 supermarkets are surveyed to determine which brands of detergent they sell. All sell at least one of the brands. So there's nothing in the outside set. Okay? There's no supermarket that doesn't sell anything. Right, now, what we've got to do is find out what X is. Well, I can just save myself a bit of time. I know all those numbers that are in A there, they add up to 55. Okay? And so then we can say plus 18 minus X plus X plus 17 minus X must be equal to the total number of supermarkets in the universal set, which is 75. Okay? So let's now see if we can work out what X is. So we've got 55 plus 18 is 73. Plus 17 is 90. Okay, minus X plus X cancels, and we're going to end up with a minus X is equal to 75. So I think X must be equal to 15. Okay? And if X is equal to 15, then in here we must have 3. In this one we must have 2. And in there we had X, that should be replaced with 15. Okay, so let's do that. So I think I've got my Venn diagram sorted out now. You can check that all those numbers add up to 75. Okay, now we can answer the question. Hence, find out how many supermarkets sell both A and C, but not B. A and C, but not B. That's got to be this region here. Okay, A and C, but not B. You could write it like this. The number of elements in A and C and not B. And that is equal to 11. Okay, at least 2 of these brands, at least 2, means, again, this region here, this region here, this region here, and this region here. Okay, this region in the middle counts because it says at least 2, so we're saying 2 or 3. So it's going to be 17 plus 11 plus 22 plus 15 equals, what, 28 plus 22 is 50, 65 is the right answer. Okay, have you got any problems with any of those questions, then just let me know.